right? So when you drill a hole, and to be honest with you, this whole process, drilling the pilot hole is the toughest part because you want to make sure a couple things. One, when you're drilling in, as you reach this top layer, you'll get a little outside ring, which is what you want. And the one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to try to create that on your own and force it. So if you're in there and then you're looking for that ring and you start kind of wobbling it around and make it yourself, you're going to make that pilot hole too big and you're not going to get the holding value of the stud. Because these studs will give you about 900 pounds of hanging value, right? So they're pretty heavy duty once they're in there. Because what it does is once it shoots it in, not only does it force the stud into a slightly smaller hole, the steel together kind of fuses, so it even almost kind of welds itself to that hole, which is one of the reasons it kind of gives you that value, right? So, pretty easy process here. We'll just do one right here. You kind of hear it make that different sound, right? Now, if you look at that, you're going to see you got that nice little silver ring around the outside. Yep.
Look, you guys almost trying to get this perfect.
You're going to put this in. Line it up with the hole. Fully engage it. Boom. That is the process. Super easy, very quick. And the holding value you get is outstanding.
And so you're saying 900 pounds?
Yeah, if you pull it 900 pounds.
And then what about
the shear? I'd have to check. I'd have to check all the. I don't remember off the top of my head.
What we're really using them for is, see, part of the barrel we can't attach to the deck like we're allowed to over here.
Yeah.
And with the barrel being so extreme, we can't span strut in any kind of way with a beam clamp or anything.
Yeah.
You can't go to the lower one and then come over and drop a rod because the ceiling goes with it. The barrel's inside. So that is going to help us to get us up high in the web as high as we can, and then be able to hang from it.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. This is going in.
Yeah, so we're going to be shooting these into the side of the web, putting unistrut 90s on it, and then spanning strut in between. And that's how we're gonna suspend from in these bays where we can't go. So from this column to that column right there, none of that area can be hung off the deck. So this area is cool. I don't know if it's because the spans are different between the steel or if it's because of the